Hello everyone, this is Robyn over at Russ Darrow Metro Mazda. I just wanted to give you a couple of really quick tips on how to keep your car cool this summer. Now, today I will be showing you some things. This is a 2024 Mazda CX-5. This is the Carbon Edition. Now, the very first thing that I do notice about this vehicle is it has an all black interior, black leather, under a power moonroof. So, number one tip that I will provide you guys with is before you exit your car, close your sunroof, your moonroof, whatever. Gives it a little bit more protection from the elements. Another option is if you hate sitting on those hot leather seats in the middle of summer, you can always add some sort of a seat cover, drape a blanket over it, things like that. Now, when I say drape a blanket over it, please be cautious with that. Obviously, you don't want anything that may impede your safe driving. Another really good tip, park in a covered area or in shade. If the vehicle is out of some of that direct sunlight, again, may not get as hot as if it were parked right directly under the beating sun. You can also invest in a sunshade here that, again, will keep these surfaces that you're going to come in contact with when you get in the car a little bit cooler. Remember, if your vehicle does come with any sort of a mobile or remote start, you can always adjust the temperature before you even get in the car. Remember to always keep your AC working well. If your AC isn't firing up as hard as you'd like it to, I do want to let you know you can always reach out to any one of our certified technicians, have them check it out. Sometimes it may just require a quick AC upcharge here. Now, last thing that I am going to tell you is if you have the ability and you know that your car will be safely parked, you can always crack the windows open a little bit, give it a little bit more airflow. But again, these are just some very basic tips on how to avoid having your vehicle get too hot in the summer. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.